Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the ringtone of your iPhone so you can just have things a little bit more personalized to yourselves. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have my iPhone, and the first thing I want to do is actually head over to the settings area. I'm just going to click on settings right here. That's going to load up all the settings on your iPhone, and we actually want to scroll on down just a little bit until we find this area just here where it says notifications, sounds and haptics, focus and screen time. What we want to click on today is the sounds and the haptics. Click on that. It's going to load up all of the different settings that you have related to sounds and haptics, obviously, right? So obviously I have my phone just in silent mode pretty much like 99% of the time. And if we scroll down, you can find all of these other settings. And the first one is the one that we want to talk about today, which is ringtone. If we go ahead and click on ringtone, you can see here the numbers, they're blurred out, of course, but I have two different phone numbers and I can have different ringtones for each individual phone number. I'm just going to click on the top one right here, and this is where you get all of these different kind of sounds that you can kind of, put on as kind of as a ringtone, right? You can click on them and it will play out what they sound like and all of that kind of stuff. Now, because I'm in silent mode, it can't be heard. I'm going to go ahead and just toggle off silent mode here. I'm going to hold it for the ring, just like so. Okay, so as we can kind of go through, we can see and hear the different kind of sounds and things like that can come through. Obviously, haptics is by default, so we come into here, for example, and we can see lots of different kind of haptic settings as well as the tune store, right? And any potential purchased ringtones that you have as well. Click on reflection and there's a few different ones as well, and all of that kind of stuff. Again, we can put some volume onto these if you really need to kind of hear how they all sound and all of that kind of stuff. But basically you just find the ringtone that you like and you would basically go ahead and basically use that. Now I think, I never remember exactly, it's this one down here, which is the normal ringtone. You can kind of hear, right? So again, you would just go through them and you would choose the ringtone that you like the best, and that would be basically it, right? I'm going to leave it on the classic one there because that's what I want. I don't want to mess around with it terribly too much, but you could of course set it per phone number if you've got multiple. So if I've got a physical SIM like I have, and then you've got an eSIM, you could also do that right there. But basically that's what you want to do, is you want to come into sound and haptics, go into ringtone, and then adjust it from there. And that is it. That's how you would basically change and customize your ringtone to suit your personality. If this works for you and you found it useful and informative, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you all in the next one.